there's a few things you need to prep for your Pitta pizzas. Number one, chop your veg and your ham into small pieces for your small pizzas. You can also drain and slice your mozzarella if you're using it. The next thing is to make the tomato puree sauce. So you need a tablespoon, or a normal metal spoon would be fine, and you need 2 spoonfuls of puree and 1 spoonful of water. Then you need to mix these together so it makes watery tomato puree. It means it's easier to spread. You can put a little bit more water on it if you want. So you can spread it more evenly. That's quite good. You can make both of these earlier in the day and put them in the fridge in sealed tubs so they're ready to use when we come to do it on Wednesday.